Hello. Permission to introduce myself. My name is M.RIZA Kurniawan from Management Class 24B here. I will explain about introductory management material, namely social responsibility and leadership. The material about corporate social responsibility or CSR, explains the concept of CSR in management as an obligation carried out by the company to act ethically, support sustainability, and provide benefits for the community and the surrounding environment, in addition to pursuing economic benefits. CSR includes various activities involving various company stakeholders, including employees, customers, the community, and parties affected by the company's operations. Here are some important points explained in the material. 1. Definition of CSR. CSR is a company's commitment to operate ethically and responsibly towards society and the environment, beyond economic and legal obligations. In other words, the company not only aims to make a profit, but also considers the impact of its business activities on the wider community and environmental sustainability. 2. CSR dimension. According to Pearson Education 2015, CSR can be divided into several important dimensions. Economy. Companies are expected to operate in a profitable way, but still prioritize economic justice and sustainability. This includes efficient resource management, job creation, and participation in local economic development. Environment. CSR also includes concern for the environment, such as reducing greenhouse gas emissions, using renewable energy, waste management, and conservation of natural resources. Social. Corporate social responsibility focuses on efforts to improve the quality of life of the community, including providing support for education, health, poverty alleviation, and ensuring fair and safe working conditions for employees. 3. Benefits of CSR for companies. Reputation and positive image. Companies involved in CSR often get a positive image from consumers, investors, and the community. This can increase customer loyalty and attract investors who care about social and environmental aspects. Competitive advantage. CSR implementation can create a competitive advantage because socially responsible companies are more likely to get support from consumers who are more aware of social and environmental issues. Better relationship with stakeholders. By paying attention to the needs and expectations of the community and employees, companies can build better relationships with various stakeholders. 4. CSR strategy and implementation. Responsibility to employees. Companies that prioritize CSR must provide safe, fair working conditions and support skill development and employee welfare. Responsibility to consumers. Providing products or services that are safe, quality, and do not harm consumers. Transparency and honesty are also important elements in interaction with consumers. Responsibility for community and environment. Reducing the negative impact on the environment, contributing to the development of local communities through various social initiatives, and carrying out sustainable operations. 5. CSR approach. Philanthropy. Some companies are involved in CSR activities by donating or supporting social projects, such as donating to education, health, or other social activities. Integration in business strategy. A more integrated CSR considers social and environmental impact as part of the main business strategy. The company focuses on sustainability and designing products and operations that support social and environmental goals. 6. Challenges in CSR implementation. Costs and investments. Some companies find it difficult to balance between financial gains and investments in CSR. The implementation of CSR programs often requires a significant initial cost. CSR impact measurement. Measuring the social and environmental impact of CSR activities is often difficult and requires a proper evaluation system. Conclusion. According to Pearson Education.
Dan kita lanjut dengan pembahasan materi tentang leadership.
1. Definition of leadership. Leadership is the ability to influence others to be willing to follow the direction or vision set by the leader to achieve certain goals. Leadership focuses on how a leader can motivate and direct individuals or groups to work together with passion and commitment. 2. The role of leaders in organizations. Leaders have a very important role in organizations. Some of the main roles of leaders include Vision and direction. Leaders are responsible for setting the vision and strategic direction of the organization. They help direct the entire team or organization towards long-term goals. Decision-making. Leaders are often involved in decision-making related to organizational operations and strategies. Motivation and inspiration. Leaders must be able to motivate team members to work better and stay focused on organizational goals. Change management. In the face of change, leaders play a role in managing the change process so that it runs smoothly and can be accepted by team members. 3. Leadership theory. Some leadership theories taught in the Introduction to Management course include leadership trait theory. This theory focuses on the traits or characteristics possessed by effective leaders, such as courage, integrity, self-confidence, and communication skills. Behavioral leadership theory. Behavioral theory. This theory states that leadership can be learned through certain behaviors shown by leaders. For example, leaders who show supportive behavior, supportive, or more authoritarian behavior, directive. Contingency theory. Contingency theory. According to this theory, the effectiveness of leadership depends on a certain situation or context. Leaders must adjust their leadership style to the situation and needs of the team. Transformational leadership theory. Transformational leaders focus on the change and self-development of team members. They inspire, motivate, and provide a vision that can improve team performance and commitment. Transactional leadership theory. Transactional leaders put more emphasis on the exchange that occurs between leaders and their followers. For example, giving rewards for good performance or punishment for failure. Transactional leaders are more focused on achieving short-term goals. 4. Leadership style. Leadership style refers to the way leaders manage, interact, and motivate their subordinates. Some commonly taught leadership styles include authoritarian leadership, a leader who has full control over decision-making and gives clear instructions to his subordinates. This leader tends to give little space for discussion or suggestions from team members. Democratic, participatory leadership. Leaders who involve team members in the decision-making process. They encourage participation, discussion, and feedback from all team members. Laissez-faire leadership. Leaders give great freedom to team members to make decisions and act independently. Leaders only give general direction and little involvement in operational activities. 5. Leadership skills. Effective leadership requires good skills. The skills needed for leaders include technical skills, the ability to understand and master technical work or specific tasks in an organization. Managerial skills, the ability to plan, organize, lead, and control various resources to achieve organizational goals. Interpersonal skills, the ability to interact well with others, build strong relationships, and understand and manage social dynamics in a team. Conceptual skills, the ability to think abstractly, understand the relationship between various parts of the organization, and make strategic decisions that involve a long-term view. 6. Leadership in organizational context. Leadership in an organization not only involves individuals.